Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to use the AutoTapper plugin to batch download all videos from a TikTok creator to your local device. First, let me introduce a supporting online tool website. Paste the TikTok video link into the site, click the Parse and Download button, wait for the page to generate the video download link, then tap Download Video, and you can save the video locally. Next, we'll use this website together with AutoTapper to set up an automated workflow for batch downloading. Start by adding workflow steps. Since we need to process the video list in bulk, select Loop Mode and use the List feature to capture the entire video list. For the first sub-step, select all videos via the List tool and auto-click to open each video playback page. Once on the page, capture and copy the current video URL. Choose Parse URL parameter in the Action Type settings, then store the link as a variable for later use in the workflow. Next, open a new tab and navigate to the video parsing website. Select the input box on the page, then use the Assign function to automatically fill in the saved video link without manual typing. After the link is entered, click the website's Download button. Once parsing finishes, click the Download Video button again. When the download completes, close the current parsing tab, return to the TikTok video detail page, and close the video playback window. The entire automated workflow is set up in just 8 steps. Now click Run to test the process. The currently running step will be highlighted with a blue border for clear progress tracking, and each video will be downloaded automatically in no time. With AutoTapper automation, you can save a huge amount of time spent on manual one-by-one downloads and easily batch grab all videos from any TikTok creator. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like and follow. I will share more practical AutoTapper tutorials in future videos.